Hey everybody, Jeremy here at Precision Graphics, and today I just want to touch base on some signs that we offer for storefronts. Being if you have a business, you're starting out, or currently have a business that you got into, we offer channel letters, lighted box signs, individual letters, non-lighted signs, which work for any storefront that you may have. So if you're just starting to get out and you want something simple, we do offer flat panel max metal signs, individual letters, and banners if you're looking for something pretty quick. We do also offer lighted signs, letters as channel letter set, and lighted box signs. So during the night, we can offer lighted signs, so for visibility and people to see you at night, it's a good way to get people's attention while they're driving by. We offer front lit, reverse lit, and a box sign. Also in your business, if you're also looking that you have a pylon sign or a monument sign, so when people drive by that there's multiple businesses in the center, we offer that as well. So if you have something pre-existing, we can add a decal or sign to it for your business. If you don't and you're looking to get something to put by the road or a pylon sign, we offer that as well. We handle all the details, all the permitting and installation. If you're needing that, we can handle it. Also as well, for your storefront, if you're just looking to get started and you just need decals, we offer that as well. And we offer cover graphics as well. So if you're looking to cover your door, your storefront windows, or anything in that aspect, we can handle that as well for graphics. With that being said, we offer all types of signs, not just for your storefront. So we offer lobby signs, indoor lighted signs, small signs, display signs, feather flags, pop-up displays. We can make it, and we can get it done for you. We handle all that as well. So if you have an idea, we can put it together, show you a proof, get it ordered, get it going to you as fast as possible. Again, these are storefront options for your business if you're looking to get it done. Once again, this is Jeremy at Precision Graphics. If you need help, we'll get you taken care of. Thanks.